has exit but not re-entry, okay? Make sure this door works before I install it. Birds or some animal must have brought a couple elastics up here. That's crazy. How did they get in here? It had to have been a bird or a mouse. There's a reason why we go up and in so far, because look at that gap. Right in that corner where I quoted for. The squirrel has brought a cigarette butt up into here. That's crazy. Snug as a bug in a rug. Shy of where we want to be, so we'll have to put a corner cap on there. Overlap about 1.25 inches. Again, this piece isn't permanent. It's coming back off when we put the final piece on. But yeah, there's the hole. Very hard for me even to get my fingers in this one-way door and open it up, but